Okay, but let's take this up a notch. So we're going to throw in some algebra because we know not everything can stay that easy. So in example number 3, it says EG is equal to 71. So here's E all the way to G. So that length is 71. We need to find the value of X. So again, we're going to start same formula. We're going to say EF, that first measure, plus the second measure, FG, is equal to the whole line, EG. So EF, we know, is 8x minus 17. FG, so we're going to add, is 5x minus 3. And that's all equal to 71. So now here's where we go into our combined like terms, and I hope you guys remember this. I know it was the early part of the year when we went over it, but in order to combine like terms, remember they need to have the same variable and the same exponent. So in this case, we have 8x, I'm going to highlight it, 8x plus 5x. So 8x plus 5x, that gives us 13x. But then we also have negative 17, so let's do that one green, and a negative 3. And let's also highlight that green. So we know that those two in green are the same sign, or same like terms, constants. Negative 17 minus 3, if we combine those together, that's going to give us negative 20. Now, there's nothing to combine on this side with the 71, so it's just going to come down. It's equal to 71. So we're going to continue solving this algebraically, and then I'm going to show you a shortcut on how to do this, because I know we had our NSolve, our menu 3.1 on the calculators last year, and we don't have that this year. So there's a couple different options that we have. You can continue solving by hand. So the first thing that you do is get rid of any constant. So in this case, we have a minus 20. So we're going to do the opposite and say plus 20 on both sides. I end up running out of space here. So then we're left with 13x equals 71 plus 20 is 91. And then our last step is to divide. So we do 91 divided by 13, and that will give us x equals 7. I'm going to try and scoot this up a little bit so you guys can hopefully see that. So that's how you solve it algebraically. Now, let's say you don't want to do all this. There's an easy way. I am just going to simply highlight our equation. Oops. Right click and I hit copy, or you can do Control C. And we are going to go to our Tuesday assignment, and I attached the Desmos calculator for you. We used this a little bit in the spring when we were first shut down, but it's going to be super helpful for us right now. So you can just hopefully paste the equation. Oh, it's not going to work if I paste it. So let me just type it in. 18x minus 17 plus 5x minus 3 equals 71. Why is this not working? I tried this yesterday. What is it? 5x minus 3. Oh, it's because I have my caps on.